Open real-time communication between the shop and the engineering department is critical to getting parts out the door on time. Communication across a company is important, but companies must make sure that everyone has access to and is making decisions based on the same data. With the Delmia manufacturing portfolio inside of 3D ExperienceWorks, data is collected throughout the process. From analyzing the part to shipping it out the door, all stakeholders have real-time visibility to make fast and accurate decisions. For quoting and planning, you have access to Delmia's manufacturability check. Here, you can virtually place a part onto your machine and check for things like standard hole sizes and deep or flat-bottomed holes. You can set manufacturing parameters for your machines to analyze both additive and subtractive processes. If any issues are found, you can use the markup feature to send the details to the engineer. Insert text and graphics to help convey the issue, then you can take snapshots of the 3D model and send them out for review. Once the part is finalized, there's no need to open and place the part again. You can simply replace the existing part with the new revision. After running it through manufacturability check once more, we can send it off for manufacturing. When it's time to start programming the part, just open the cell that you've already created in Delmia's shop floor machining. The machining cell is saved as a template with tooling and fixtures, eliminating the time-consuming task of loading tools and placing vices. With easy-to-follow pop-ups, Delmia's shop floor machining takes a lot of the guesswork out of programming your parts. All tool paths are displayed using the kinematics of your actual machine. Delmia creates a virtual twin that accurately shows what will happen on the shop floor. Industrial robotics are becoming a standard in every manufacturing facility. Although the use of industrial robots has become more common, programming them can still be a challenge. Delmia's Robot Programmer Essentials gives you the power to easily program and simulate robotic arms. Because the programming is done offline, your equipment can stay up and running while you program and simulate new tasks. Delmia's Robot Programmer lets users easily place robotic arms by showing possible locations based on the robot's reachability. You can use your manufacturing cells to create a virtual twin of your factory floor. With Delmia Factory Simulation Engineer, users can simulate and optimize material flow and resources using a virtual twin of their facility. With an accurate, scalable representation of your facility, you can optimize layouts, plan for expansion, and create flow studies to ensure the most efficient production environment. From programming your CNC machines and robots to creating the optimum production floor layout, 3D ExperienceWorks manufacturing solutions are ready to help you expand your horizons.